Gourmet, a food or drink of a high quality. Mineral, a solid natural substance that is not made of material from plants or animals. Filtration, the process of removing unwanted or unneeded substances from a liquid, gas, etc. Sodium, a chemical element found in salt. Potassium, a chemical element that is a silvery white metal and important for bodily health. Conscious, aware of something, concerned with or anxious about a particular thing. A new bar in Dubai is offering gourmet water. A new bar in Dubai is serving 30 varieties of gourmet water. The Aqua Water Bar by Luquel gets its water the old-fashioned way, from the tap. The government says tap water is safe to drink and meets international standards, though many Dubai residents prefer bottled water. Then they add minerals using a system designed by the German water filtration company Luquel. Our water sommeliers have designed the drinks to suit your needs and mood, says Roa Jabari, the managing director. Runner's Heaven, which is high in sodium and potassium, is designed for joggers recovering from the desert heat. Vegan's Choice offers minerals that could be missing in a diet with no meat. Customers can fill up their bottles with any of the mineral drinks for around 50 cents per 500 milliliters or pay more for mocktails. It's not a totally new idea. Companies have long sold water taken from natural springs or remote mountains. Such products have grown popular as consumers want healthier lifestyles and don't trust tap water. But it's rare to find a bar that specializes in water rather than offering it for free. However, Dubai, a modern city built in the desert, could be a good location for it. Alcohol is available in the United Arab Emirates, but the Muslim country that includes Dubai also has a large population who don't drink alcohol. And as a center of international business, it attracts wealthy, fitness-conscious people. Jabari insists that the water bar is not only for wealthy customers, saying the water, costing 54 US cents per 500 milliliters, isn't too expensive. A California-born interior designer who has lived in the UAE for 24 years, she has given her bar a blue and white water design with bubble-shaped lights. She hopes to expand the business, seeing room to grow in Dubai's thirsty neighbors. Saudi Arabia is a huge market for us. I believe that Abu Dhabi is our next step.